Hi guys, assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amr TV. So for today's video guys is ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga dapat gawin kapag nawala yung ating passport. So kapag nawala yung passport nyo guys, so don't worry kasi may mga solusyon naman para makakuha tayo ulit ng ating passport. So according to Philippine Consulate General, so ito yung mga requirements guys kung paano natin makuha ulit yung ating passport. So yung mga nawalang passport natin, so pwede pa natin siya yan kunahanan ng copy dun sa DFA. So unang-una guys is yung confirm passport appointment. So may ginawa na ako dyan kung paano magpa-appoint sa DFA. So ayan, so ito yung sample guys. Itong step na ito, pag nandito na kayo, so dito sa application type, as you can see, meron tayong new, renewal and loss. So since loss yung kukunin natin, so dito tayo sa loss. Ayan. So ilalagay lang natin dito yung old passport number since for example, meron naman tayong photocopy ng ating old passport. So makikita natin yung passport number doon. And then yung date of issue. So i-complete lang natin ito. So after natin makapag-appoint ng ating DFA passport, so ang next na gagawin natin is prepare natin yung ating mga requirements. So ito yung mga requirements guys. So yung passport application form which is downloaded sa kanilang website. So yung copy of lost passport if available. So kung may copy pa tayo, for example may photocopy pa tayo, so mas maganda. So number 4, notarize affidavit of loss. So saan ba ito kinukuha guys? So ito is ini-issue ito ng mga ating public attorneys. So doon tayo kukuha ng notarized affidavit of loss. And then yung police report guys, okay? So original copy of birth certificate issued by PSA. So yung original na PSA birth natin, so kailangan yun siya guys. And then number 7 is yung original or certified true copy of 2 photocopies of each other documents that may be required by consular office pursuant to RA, ayan, 8239. So ito yon, mga form 137 natin, yung college transcript of record. So ayan. So nandito lahat guys. So kung may mga IDs na tayo na ganito, so don't worry guys. So 2 copies lang yung kailangan. Ayan, NBI certificate, PNP clearance. Ayan. So okay. Ayan. So yun lang naman guys. So ito lang yung ipa-prepare natin guys. So hindi naman lahat ito is kailangan i-prepare. Ayan. So basahin lang natin ito. So for adopted adults lang ito. Okay. So ang importante dito is yung online appointment, passport, application number, yung notarized affidavit of loss, saka yung police report guys. Okay. So kukunin natin ito sa police station. Saka yung 1 original certified true copy of 2 copies of each of the other documents. Ayan. So pwedeng PNP clearance, yung NBI clearance, at saka yung ibang mga IDs guys. Okay, so 1 copy lang pero yung original, okay? At saka yung 2 photocopies ng other documents, parang supporting documents na lang guys. Okay? So after that, wait lang na lang natin yung ating appointment. Pagdating ng ating appointment, so kailangan natin i-present yung lahat ng requirements guys dun sa opisina ng DFA para makakuha tayo ulit ng ating passport. Okay? So sana makatulong ito sa inyo. So again, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Amr TV for the latest videos na aking i-upload. Sukran and wassalam.